Okay guys, we're going to install the Navara head. This is the part 2. We clean already the gasket, the block surface, and we going to put the new head to this one or clean. You can see this side. This is the new cylinder head. So before you put in the head, you put the shellac on the top of the head, the block for the shellac stick, the sealant. Okay, we're going to put the gasket. Exhaust. Okay. Right. Right. We're using new head bolts. You can read this paper, the 230 and 290 degrees. Okay, we're going to put the angle stock, so 90. So you're getting 0. Okay, so 90. First night we did, then you have to tight for the front timing cover bolts. So after that we're going to put the second one, 90 degrees one. Okay, going to put the second 90. One. Yep. Okay guys, we tied all the head bolts. Then we have to put the timing setup and to carry on the injectors and the rocker covers. Okay, we set up the timing. We tied this to 22mm bolts and take it out the adjuster pin. Okay, yep, done. Rotate the engine. So we install all the 4 injectors. To install the rocker cover. Okay guys, we finally installed everything back together. So we put the coolant. We drain the oil and put the new oil on it. Engine oil. It's getting 7 liter. So okay guys, we start the car. Car is running fine. You can open the radiator cap and have a look. Oil pressure now holding. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next one.